Hi, Nicholas here, the kinesiologist on the team. Maple Fitness combines the fields of kinesiology and engineering to provide you a high-quality home fitness experience that goes above and beyond your expectations.
Adapting our lifestyle to the new normal has become a necessity, but it's not easy. Working out and keeping healthy has never been this hard. Because of the lack of equipment, misinformation, and such a diversity of workout plans, following an exercise routine is confusing. Maple Fitness offers a solution by giving you a full set of fitness equipment and guidance towards your goals under our expertise, which purely focuses on the biomechanics of movement. You will be able to build a versatile home gym, plan and track your progress, and be part of our community that provides support and shares experience. Our objective is to meet your goals by sending you alarms of when to exercise and giving you a full plan designed by me to meet your expectations and respect your limitations. Use our versatile equipment that challenges your upper body and lower body strength, endurance, and overall condition through progressive loading. Our three main pillars are providing high-quality equipment, guide and motivate you towards your goals, and create a sense of belonging to our community. Launching our full platform as of March 1st and pre-enroll to our program as of February. See you soon on our website, taking you one step closer, more active.